So Taylor, tell us, where are we going?
Going to the Windup Space to see a show, an art show, multimedia art show about
Hey Becca.
Hey!
Bodies clasping to there was a final life when I was with my friends and I could always see my family. So I still want now, even if I'm here and I know they won't be waiting. Cause I don't want to be alone, no. I don't want to be here alone. While you're there, give back a little more. The return could make you notice that I'm thinking of a moment. And no one still sound. Those wasn't the life we were with us here, and we knew there was a next time. That's what I still want now, even if I'm here, and I think that you won't be waiting. Cause I don't want to be alone.
Opening tonight. We're really excited about it. We've been thinking about it all week. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you're enjoying yourselves. We're really excited to do this show and being given the opportunity through the Windup Space.